Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. Smoke test automation offers many benefits for those companies with the time and resources to implement it. It's fast and effective, and because of the lack of stress automated tests put on teams and resources, they can be run regularly even within small companies. Automated testing is fast. Automated smoke testing is much faster than manual testing, with most automated tests taking no longer than 30 to 60 minutes to complete. Manual tests can take hours in comparison. Automated smoke tests demand minimal resources and, once implemented, are very easy to run. Automation makes daily smoke tests possible. Current industry best practices dictate that daily smoke tests are ideal, particularly when working on software that is constantly in a state of flux. Manual smoke tests are too time-consuming to run on a daily basis, but automated smoke tests are easy to carry out at the start of each working day. Automation eliminates human error. Automated tests run from scripts that are prepared in advance and created to highly exacting standards. This means that the chance of an automated test missing a major bug or an important issue is very low. Automation can imitate load and performance tests. Load and performance tests assess how well an application works when lots of users use it at once. Automated smoke testing can mimic the additional load of multiple users in ways that manual testing can't and provide an extra layer of data on software performance in certain conditions. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.